if you join our family, you can learn about many things.
It's a really unique experience, and if there are more events like this, I would love to attend more.
3-word for this, I love it.
Are you interested in improving your abilities and fluency in English? Check out Bangkok University International or BU International programs. There are 11 programs to choose from, covering every career field. Let's see what programs there are. Begin with a brand new program. If you want to be a director, make movies or series, or get into the film industry professionally, the newest program, Films, Series, and Global Content Production and Business, will teach you how to think like a company owner and help you break into the world-class entertainment industry, whether it's Netflix, HBO, or Hollywood movies. Amazing, isn't it? Another new program, AI Engineering and Entrepreneurship, is a joint program between the Faculty of Engineering at King Mongkut's Institute of Technology, Lat Krabang, and the School of Entrepreneurship and Management at Bangkok University, also known as BUSM. This program is designed for new engineers who possess an entrepreneurial mindset and are capable of starting and running firms as well as innovating. Those who enjoy being creative and work in front of and behind the scenes in the media industry might check out the Innovative Media Production Program. We educate students on how to become actual creators, including photography, video, sound, and skill development. Students can also attend workshops to learn how to function in a studio. Come to the Creative Communication Design course if you love graphic design, art, or creation. Take part in an intro character design workshop and learn character design with experts. If you enjoy thinking about strategies and campaigns, you should not miss the Media and Communication course, which focuses on advertising, agencies, and creative careers. Definitely suits your needs. Anyone who enjoys traveling and serving others should take the International Tourism and Hospitality Management, or ITHM program. Oversee everything, including world-class tour planning and hotel maintenance. For someone that's interested in becoming a chef, the Culinary Arts and Design program offers workshops where students can practice their cooking skills and the art of professional plate decoration. Students will try it out in the kitchen lab, learn how to operate a restaurant, and aim for Michelin stars. For those who love business and marketing, want to become experts in MarTech tools that combine technology with marketing, our marketing program covers both online and offline, and it definitely meets every business's needs. Join to the entrepreneurship program if you're a student who runs your own business. We're prepared to shape your business concepts into reality. If you wish to be a business owner or establish your own company, you must take this program. If you wish to be a business owner or establish your own company, you must come to this program, Business English Program. Our workshop teaches sales and negotiation skills in English, as well as improving professional language abilities. Last but not least, the most popular program, BBA or Business Administration, which can be graduated in 3 years. We have the BBA International Workshop and Alibaba Cloud, which helps students with their business questions and knowledge. In addition, there will be an impromptu speech competition in partnership with the British Council, where attendees can practice humor and public speaking while winning certificates and awards. This session has gotten a lot of attention from students across the country.
We're very honoured and proud that we were able to contribute to what we feel was a very successful day. So maybe they didn't win today, but they will win tomorrow.
The Bangkok University International Program offers the opportunity to learn like a native and make numerous connections. For further information, check out here.